Okay, welcome to Wall Street webinar. What you're looking at here is the S&P 500 cash stock market index. Um, I'm about to show you something that you've never seen before. This is an actual objective way to follow the institutional big money that creates each movement in the market. This has been 25 years in the making. Um, we all know the big institutions control the market, but nobody really knew how to track them. Now we've defined it down into very simple rules of doing that. These signals that you see right now and that you're going to see following up all the way up until today actually have, we've been giving them out live to the world for nearly a year and a half now. And I'm going to slowly track through the market right here. This is going back into April here. You see the sell here on the April 17th and the buy over on the 28th right there. Those are actually not sells and buys. They're tops and bottom signals that we give. You see the market running up here. What this is called is the institutional wave. It's an objective way to finally ride the coattails of the big money. You see a top signal issued there on the 8th of May, and the market comes down. This is going to be called the new analysis of the future. It's a way to really track the waves from top to bottom to top to bottom. See the market run up. Sell signal issued on the opening on the 21st, or top signal, excuse me, rather, and then a bottom signal issued on the 22nd at the close of the 22nd. And you see what happens here. The market runs up very nicely. Now there we have our topping signal there on June 2nd come in. Now this method uses no technical price indicators. This is purely tracking of the institutions and the money flow in the market. Look how the market goes sideways. Now it didn't drop yet. We knew it wasn't going to go up. We just didn't know when it was going to go down. We just knew the correct scenario was that we had a topping signal there on June 2nd. And then we have another topping signal here. There's more institutional action that is negative in the market coming in on the downside. And then finally we see the market come down here. So what we're doing is let's let the small individual traders analyze the thousands of different technical price indicators out there. Let the institutions analyze all the hundreds of different fundamental data that's out there, and we just analyze them. Let's analyze the institutions and find out where the big money is flowing to. You see the bottom signal issued there on the 24th, and the market runs up. Here on the 29th, we get our topping signal here that we also issued that one out to the public as well. For free, by the way, we're issuing these out to everybody to prove the precise accuracy of this method. Now we're coming into July. The market's dropping down here, right into our bottom signal on July 8th. So no matter what analysis you use to figure the markets out, let's at least admit that the big money still has to come into the market or go out of the market for it to create a big move. And we have multiple bottom signals right down here. And the market runs up. No sell signals along the way. No topping signals at all. The market continues to run up. Very powerful move. It was all bullish action from the institutions coming in here. We had topping signals on the 27th, and then followed nearly instantly within 2 days of a bottoming signal that we had. And these are all defined objectively by the institutional wave method. Market runs up, and then we get our topping signal here on August 4th finally. Market fuddles around sideways here. There really has been no other method that has been able to call the market this accurately. The market moves are created by big money, and we've been proving it live to the world in real time as we've given these signals out for free. And you see the market drop here. And as it dropped, look at the entire world was thinking the market's getting very negative here. So look at this support area that's broken. Okay, every technical analyst out there was thinking the support's broken, this thing is going to be heading down. We issued a bottom signal that said no, the institutions are reversing this. There's big money flowing into the upside here. And then look what happens. A big sharp move on the way up. All the way into our topping signal here on August 28th. So you have to ask yourself, is your method giving you the confidence that you need to invest properly in these markets. Once you know the direction of the indexes, you can go in and trade a variety of different stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, whatever, what have you. And the important thing is knowing what's going to happen next. Come on over to Wall Street Webinar, and you will learn the institutional way.